Welcome to HypnoCloud. My name is Elena, and today's session is designed to help you naturally eliminate your desire for excess sugar. Close your eyes now and take a deep breath in. And exhale slowly. Let your body begin to soften and relax. Inhale calmness and exhale any tension or worry. Feel the weight of your body where you're sitting or lying down. Allow your shoulders to drop, your jaw to relax, and your breath to flow naturally. With each breath, feel yourself settling into the present moment, ready to receive these positive changes. This is your time to reset your habits and take control of your health. Now, I will speak affirmations. Repeat them silently or out loud to reinforce this powerful transformation. Say now, I have lost my desire for sugar. Imagine your body creating a natural resistance to sugar. Visualize it as a protective shield surrounding you, deflecting the pull of sugary foods. You are in control now, not the sugar. Say now, I eliminate excess sugar from my life. Picture yourself looking at sugary foods and confidently pushing them away. The old desire is gone. You feel a profound sense of control over your choices. Say now, I completely erase all and any need for excess sugar. See your body instinctively rejecting sugary foods. They appear sticky, heavy, and completely unappealing to you. You feel liberated from their grip. Say now, I have activated an internal resistance toward sugar. Feel your body strengthening. As you say this, notice the sensation of activating your inner power. Where does this power reside in your body and mind? Feel it fully. This is real, not because I say so, but because your mind responds perfectly to your intention. Finally say, as I have eliminated excess sugar, I am leaner and healthier. Visualize your body transforming. Picture yourself in the mirror, healthier, leaner, and glowing with happiness. Your skin is clearer, your energy is higher, and your body feels lighter and more balanced. Your body now instinctively resists sugar, rejecting cravings and eliminating the need for it. You feel empowered, healthier, and completely in control of your choices. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Feel the strength of your body and mind as they align with your health goals. You are free from the pool of sugar, confident in your choices, and ready to live a healthier life. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, bringing your awareness back to the present moment. When you're ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed, strong, and completely in control. Thank you for joining me today. This is Elena with HypnoCloud. Please like and subscribe, and for longer sessions, download our app at hypnocloud.com.